Hi friends, in today's video I'll show you 9 Windows privacy settings you should change right now. Yes, you heard me. Your Windows computer collects all kind of data about you. Although this is intended to enhance your experience, it can also raise privacy concerns. That's why it's important to take control of your data and protect your privacy by adjusting these key Windows settings. So let's start with the first one. The first one is to disable the location services. Apps on your Windows 10 or 11 PC can track your location. While this can be useful for certain purposes such as maps or weather apps and some other apps, but may also access this information for tracking purpose. If you are uncomfortable with sharing your whereabouts, it's easy to disable the location services on Windows. I'll show you how to do this. For that, just go to the start from there. Just go to the settings. And from here, just move to the privacy and security. Now from here, go to the app permission. Yes, you will get it here. This is app permissions. From here, just click on the location services, the first one. Now you can see that it is enabled. A lot of applications are tracking your location. So you can just toggle this button off and you are done with it. Turn off. Now the second one is to turn off ad tracking. Windows assigns every user an advertiser ID. That is a unique code to track the person's online activities. Microsoft then uses this data to show personalized ads across apps and services. You might be wondering that how Microsoft is showing all these ads which relate to you. This is because of you have turned on your ad tracking. So to turn that off, again you have to go to the start, from there to the settings, and then from there to the privacy and security, and then go to the general. If your first option, that is lets app show me personalized ad by using my advertising ID, then turn it off. That's it. You're done. Now the third thing you have to do is to disable activity history. Windows Activity History feature tracks your actions such as apps you have used, the files you have opened, and the website you have visited. If you don't like this idea of leaving your activity records, you can turn this feature off. For that, again you have to go back to the start, from there to the settings, and then to the privacy and security. Now from here, look for activity history. You can see it here. Just click on it and turn this off. That's it. Now the fourth setting that you should consider is to turn off cloud content search and search history. By default, Windows search functionality doesn't just look through your local files. It also pulls in contents from the web, including the OneDrive, Outlook, and other Microsoft services you use. On top of that, Windows keeps a record of all your search queries, all in name of improving your search experience. But unfortunately, it is tracking all your files and contents. Fortunately, it is possible to stop Windows from pulling results from the cloud and storing your search history. To do that, again you have to go to the start, from there to the privacy and settings, and then go and find search permissions. You will get search permissions here, this one. Just expand it. Now just scroll down and click on Clear Device Search History. This will clear the existing search data. Okay, that's it. Now the fifth settings you should change is to prevent Windows from sending diagnostic data. To help ensure Windows runs smoothly and provides an error-free experience, Microsoft collects all kinds of diagnostic data from your computer. This data can include details about your app's usage, feature interactions, and error you encounter. So to stop that, again you have to go to the settings. Now again go to the privacy and security. Look for diagnostics and feedback. You can see it here. Just open it. And make sure that send optional diagnostic data is turned off. And the sixth setting you can do is to disable online speech recognition. To do this, again you have to go to the privacy and security, and from there just look for speech and make sure that this is turned off. That's it. Now the seventh setting which you should consider is to disable shared experience. One of the benefits of using a Microsoft account on your Windows PC is that you can sync your activities across all the devices using the same account. However, this can also risk your privacy by making your data more accessible across the platforms. If you don't want this, you can disable the shared experience feature on Windows, and you can do it by again going to the settings. From here, just go to the apps and then look for advanced app settings and just click on shared across devices. You will have three options, that is off, my device only, and everyone nearby. And from here you can select the option off. That's it. Now the eighth option which you should consider is to review which app have camera and microphone permissions. Your camera and microphone are among the most sensitive devices on your PC, as they can capture private moments or conversations without your knowledge. Some of the apps will be silently monitoring you, but disabling the camera and microphone access entirely may not always be practical. So you have to address the apps one by one to make sure that which app is using your microphone and camera. So for that, again you have to go to the start, from there to the settings, and from there to the privacy and security. Now look for microphone. You have two options, that is camera and microphone. Just expand it and check which all apps are using your camera. If you find something is not suitable, then just turn it off from here. And now go back, and the same way go to microphone and make sure which all apps are making use of the microphone. You can individually turn it on and off from here. That's it. Now the ninth option or the setting you should consider is use Microsoft Privacy Dashboard. Even though after all these settings, if you are concerned about the data Microsoft have already collected, you can use the Microsoft Privacy Board. This is a centralized tool that lets you view, manage and delete data associated with your Microsoft account across devices and services. Now for that, you have to open your web browser and then you have to head to Microsoft Privacy Dashboard page. This is the page. I'll share the link in the description. You can take it from there. Now you have to sign in to the Microsoft account. Now once login in this Microsoft Privacy Dashboard, you will find various options such as location activity, browsing history, search history and more. And from here, you can go through each category to review and remove the data that has been collected. So this is how you can protect your privacy settings in Windows 10 and Windows 11. So hope you have enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.